In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pull data from another sheet based on criteria in Excel and Google Sheets. To get started, you will first need your Excel workbook inside Google Drive, and then you will convert it into a true Google Sheets file. This is important because some spreadsheet features behave differently between Excel and Google Sheets, and saving it as a Google Sheets file helps avoid compatibility issues when you later build formulas that pull data based on criteria. Begin by opening Google Drive in your web browser. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you are signed into the one where you want the file to live, since that is where the uploaded spreadsheet will be stored and edited. Once Google Drive is open, go to the top left corner and click the New button. This is where you create or add items into your drive. From the menu that appears, select File Upload. Now browse to the location on your computer where your Excel file is saved. The file should have the XSXX extension. Select it, then confirm the upload. You will see an upload progress indicator, and when it finishes, the file will appear in your drive list. Next, find that uploaded Excel file in Google Drive and double-click it to open. Depending on your settings, it may open in a preview first. If it does, continue opening it so it loads as a spreadsheet in the browser. This lets you review that the data came through correctly before converting it. Now look near the top of the spreadsheet window and click the File menu. This menu contains options for creating a Google native copy of the document. In the File menu, choose Save as Google Sheets. Google will create a new version of the file that is fully compatible with Google Sheets, while your original Excel file still remains in Drive. After the conversion, take a moment to confirm you are working in the Google Sheets version by checking that it behaves like a normal Sheets file and that your tabs and data look correct. You may also want to rename the new file so it is easy to tell apart from the original Excel upload. That covers everything you need to know.